What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to JD Mik. Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you JD Mik. So, it says cars logo there. Metal, I should say. Number 4, age 3 and up. Okay, we'll look at the back. So we got Fillmore, Cruiser Mirrors, Dynaco, RSN helicopter. Don't know her name or his name. Taco, don't know, and JD Mik. Cars 3, obviously. This is made in. Let me see. Thailand. It's made in Thailand. Okay, so I think should I say covered all the should I say blister? So let's get to it. Okay, now I've unboxed it. Let's get to it. Now here, it's actually sort of like a purplish color. You can kind of see in the glare, but in camera it actually looks a little bit bluish, so just saying. Toe cap, front, I think that's like a trailer part, then like a little towing hook thing, so turn like that, yeah. And then the eyes, green eyes, sort of I don't care looking eyes. Then the mouth, same. Should I say headlights? It has number 4. It reads a little bit blurry. So then sort of blackish yellow greyish wheels. Toe cap for the spoiler. 2 bars, window bars. Those flap things at the top. Or the fuel cap thing. Rookie stripes, yellow toe cap. Headlights, not headlights, tail lights, I should say. So it's same. I like the blue, greenish type of yellow, and the really, should I say, matte, glossy finish. So, as I was saying, this is made in Thailand. So, and also I've moved my collection because the shelf was getting, should I say, it broke. So I'll show you how I set it up. Okay, I set it up like this. So then the books down here is the, should I say, trailers, and then this is all my die cast. So in that, so I got one more car to put into my, should I say, collection. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.